In today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can create a business chatbot just by dragging and dropping a powerful blocks. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to be learn a new programming language, or you don't need to be write a single line of code. You just need to be just you can create a chatbot, okay, just by dragging and dropping a powerful blocks. So this is the Typebot. I'm talking about the Typebot. Okay, you can create a business chatbot by drag and drop whatever the like. There are some visually created inputs or logics. You can create integrations. Okay, so I today in this video I'm going to take one business case and I'm going to show you step by step how we can create a business chatbot using the Typebot. So you can watch this video till the end, and without taking any help from the developers, you can create a business chatbot for your businesses to solve the customer problems, or you can create a generator leads using the Typebot. First step. So what you need to do is that you have to just go to the typebot.io in your browser, and you have to just click on the button, create a Typebot for free. It will be go to the page like you can sign up for this Typebot. Okay, so you can continue with the Google, you can continue with the GitHub, or you can continue with the Facebook login integration, or you can just enter your company email address. So I'm just continuing with my email address, like Google email address. It will be asked some of the permissions, and I can use my Gmail. Okay, I can say that continue, and let's go to the next step. Let's see the what it will be show for me to create a. Oh, so this is welcome to the Typebot, Vijay, and this is what this is the beauty, right? So see that. Okay, so they also showing not like first steps, like they're showing like different formats. They have created the Typebots to view the instruction also, right? So I'm skipping this one. Okay, and let's go to the next step. Okay, as this is the second step, I'm going to show you that how we can create our chatbot. Okay, so yes, we just need to create on Typebot. Let's go to the step number 2, and I'll show you how we can create a Typebot. So this is how the dashboard for the Typebot, we can create a chatbot for your business. So I'm going to show you that easy first way that using the template, how we can create a chatbot. So let's click on the Typebot, okay? And it will be give some of the options to you that like start from the scratch or start from the template or import a file. So in this step, I'm going to show you that, okay, let's click on the start from the template. So there are already well-defined templates are there, like lead generation template, quiz template, lead scoring template, like lead magnet templates are there. Like, okay, so whatever your business case is there, you have to be just think what business case you need to solve, or what service you need to be provide your end users, or what data you need to collect from the end user. Okay, so depends on your business. You can select the template from the left hand side, or whatever the product you are selling, like customer support, you will want to provide a customer support, or you are like providing the NPS survey or user onboarding or FAQs. So depends on your business need. You just need to be select which template you can use, and Typebot will be create a bot for you. So let's take the one example that, okay, so my company is selling the insurance to the dogs. So I want to use insurance offer template. Okay, so I'm just selecting insurance offer and I'm using this template. Let's see that. Okay, so Typebot is providing already well defined blocks for you. So there is a start is there. This is a block, right? Start block is there. There's a welcome. So you can integrate like different whatever the data you want to collect. Right? You just need to be group these inputs into different categories. Okay, so you need to. There is a welcome message there. You need to collect the information about the dog breed. You need to collect the information about the dog sex, right? It is a male or female, okay? And on the right side, okay, so you can see that, okay, you can just ask more questions. What is the name of your dog? And you can collect this information. So using this information, you can send the insurance offer to your end user, and they will be happy to enroll for your service. And it's a very easy to modify that one. Okay, I'm going to show you that. Okay, this is the like already defined template. Okay, so but I want to modify that one. Okay, so in the hey, I am from the John from the dogs, and I want to add the image here. Okay, so someone is saying that hey, and you want to give the interactive way to say hello. So I can say that hello. Okay, you just need to be click on the hello, and okay, so what is your favorite like image, you can just select that one and you can just integrate here. And this is the way you can modify these blocks. So before publishing this chatbot on your website, on your applications, let's see that how it will be answer your questions or how it will collect the data. Okay, so this is how I just click on the play button and it will be show that, okay, so hello, I'm from the John from the dogs, and let's determine, like, it is asking some of the questions in whatever you are integrating into the blog, and I can say that let's go. Okay, so it is asking question is what is the breed of your dog. So I can say that golden retriever. Okay, I'm just saying that my dog is golden retriever. It's female or male? It's of course male. What is his name? I can say that Hero, and it is collecting the information in the back end. How cute, how old he is. Okay, so he's less than 1 year. I click on there. I can say that yes, and it will be asked like whatever the question you need to ask. You just need to be drag and drop from the blocks, and you need to integrate into the blocks. So in next step, I'm going to show you that how we can create like the chatbot from the scratch. Okay, so this is the template, like ready to plug and play template is there. You just need to be you choose the template and you'll collect the information. So what like means after collecting the information, what email should you send the offer, right? I can say that abc at gmail.com. I want the information on my abc at gmail.com, and just perfect. Okay, just saying that perfect. It's closing the conversation. Okay, so means we can give like in the meantime, feel free to check out the other services we are offering at the dogs. So we'll be give the link here at the bottom or website link. Okay, right? So everything is ready for you. You just need to think that what problem you need to solve, what service or what data you need to collect from the end user. And on the right side, you can see that, okay, there's a publish button is there. You just need to click on the publish, and just on one click, you can see that there is like URL is also there, right? You can add this ad to my domain also, right? Okay, or you can embed it into the chatbot, WordPress, Wix, and on different applications you can integrate with this one. Okay, so I'm just saying that, okay, so just copy URL and I can say that, okay, pasting on the new tab, and yes, this is the chatbot. You are able to see that, okay, so this is very interactive, right? And this is how we can play with the different blocks. So I have shown that how you can create a chatbot using the Typebot. So in next step, I'm going to show you that how we can create step-by-step chatbot from the scratch. For you, step-by-step process, how you can create a chatbot using the Typebot, okay, without like using the template. So you can create a Typebot chatbot using the from the scratch. Okay, so you need to create on you need to click on the Typebot, okay, and it will be provided different options. So in the last step, we have seen that how we can create from the template. Now it's time to create from the scratch. I am just clicking on the scratch. So after clicking on the scratch, you are able to see that there is a canvas is there. Okay, on the left side there are different options are there, or like inputs, bubbles, or logics we can add for the particular chatbots. Okay, so what we can do, we can take one business case. Okay, so our business case is that you are a support executive and you are selling thermostat for the home automations. Okay, and you are getting the different queries from every day, like you are bombarded with like simple questions from the customers that how we can reset the thermostat, how we can connect the thermostat to the Wi-Fi. And what you have decided that you can create a chatbot giving the simple questions are there, and people are asking simple questions, and the chatbot will be called solid. Okay, so without creating a tickets, or like it will be reduce the burden on your support team. So what we need to do is that we need to define a scenario like, okay, so this is what I'm going to solve the problems. And you need to define a steps. Okay, so step number one is that you have to create a welcome message. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just create a welcome message. I'm just dropping this one and I'm giving the name of this group welcome, because when you drop any bubbles or inputs from left side to right side, it is automatically creating a one group. Okay, in this group you can add the different options are there. So this is the scenario that, okay, welcome is there, and this is the one the user business case I have created. Okay, so I'm just taking the text, okay, to enter into the welcome. Like someone is trying, like customers interacting with the chatbot. So what is the first reply from your chatbot? So this is, hi, I'm your smart home assistant. How can I help you? So this is the text you need to give to as output to the business user. So I'm going to add one image here. Okay, so let's make it interactive. I'm going to just add one image, go to the ZP, and let's see that I'm going to add as a one like hello. I can say I'm just adding one. Okay, so just interactive one. Hello message is there. Okay, So I have just added as a hello. Okay. And after that, I need to collect some data from the user. So let's collect the data from the user, that name. Okay. I need a name of the user. So I just add here that what is your name. So I can just add what is your name. What is your name? Okay. So what is your name? What is your name? And I'm just giving the question mark here. Okay. So I just wanted to collect the username here, and I can collect the name into the variable name. I want to collect the user email address also. So suppose there are some discount I need to send to the user, I can collect the information. So I can say that please provide your email, and I can collect this data into the email. So these are the two information I can collect from the user to do some like analysis on whatever, like who is the end user who is asking the questions and what is his email. So these two information I can collect from the user. So I can just rename it to the email. And third step is that in the third step, I need to give the different options to the user, like what type of problem he is facing. So I can add as a button here, and in this button I can add, like there are multiple choices are there. Okay, so in multiple choices I can add as what issues he is facing. So there are different buttons to the common query, like reset thermostat, right? User is facing issue regarding the reset thermostat. I can just give the one option here, reset thermostat. Next option I'm giving is a Wi-Fi setup. Okay, user is facing issue regarding the Wi-Fi setup. I'm just giving the second option. I just need to click on the plus button, Wi-Fi setup, and user is asking that, okay, user manual. Then I can say that, okay, this is the user manual. This is the third option I can add here. I just need to click on plus button, and that's it. Okay, so these are the three options I can add. I'm just saving this one. Okay, alone. I am just saying that one. Okay, so these are like issues, and on the top right side, you can click on the test button, but nothing else like connected to chatbot will not respond on any query. Okay, so what we need to do is that it is giving some issue like, okay, uh, so it should be show some option here, right? But it is not showing. And just again I'm creating here like with the button. Okay, so I just need to be click on the button. Okay, so on the right side you need to be able to see some of the connectors are there. If there are four options are there, then it should show the four connectors. Okay, so let's can create again the like reset thermostat. First option is reset thermostat, and just clicking on reset thermostat. Okay, so second option I need to just click on, I can say Wi-Fi setup. Okay, so just click on the Wi-Fi setup and user manual. So these are the options I'm going to create. So just click here, Wi-Fi setup is there, and I'm just clicking on user manual. So suppose user is facing issue regarding the reset thermostat, right? So what we need to do is that it depends on the user demand, we can give the answer to the user. So what we need to do is that we need to select the bubble. Okay, so you need to just view the output here, and I can say, okay, if user is select the user asking about the how to reset the thermostat, I can say that, okay, so this is the step you need to follow. Like, and there's one video I have embedded, so you just need to go through this, and you will get the information about how to reset your thermostat. You just need to press the button and hold this button for the 10 seconds. Okay, and if you're facing any issue, you can just go to the video. We can provide the link there. So I can say that reset thermostat, right? And again, if user is selected Wi-Fi setup, so what we need to do is that we need to just drag from the left hand side, and I can say Wi-Fi. And if user is saying that, okay, I'm not able to connect to the Wi-Fi, then what I need to do? So to connect to the Wi-Fi, then I am giving the link here. Okay, so this is how you need to follow, and you are able to connect to the thermostat to the Wi-Fi. So these are the two options I have given. Okay, so what you have to do is that depends on the user need. Okay, if user is like selecting the option right reset thermostat, I can just click come here and just connect these dots, Wi-Fi setup, and this clicking here on a Wi-Fi setups. Okay, this will be see about user manual. Okay, if user is asking about user manual, then right, what we can do that we can just user redirect to the like website also, right? Okay, so I'm just clicking on the redirect. Okay, so let's see that if user is saying that, okay, means I want the user manual, then what we can do that we can just redirect user to the website. I can just say that website, and if there is another website like they are selling the home equipments, right? So I'm just typing at www.google.com. Okay, so it is automatically redirected to google.com. And when you just click on this, then I can see that if user is asking for the user manual, right? So I can just say, okay, go to the website and you will be able to find the user manual. I'm just connecting there. Okay, so I just connected that one, right? So let's find out something that thermostat instead of Google. I can say buy thermostat, and let's see there are some someone is selling this thermostat, right? So let's click on the thermostat. Like, okay, so let's take the example of the Amazon, right? So I'm just clicking on the Amazon.com and I just click here and let's reconfigure it. Okay, so I'm just entering the thermostat. Okay, so let's see that before publishing it to your website or your application, we need to check it first. And we need to make sure that all these dots are connected with each other. Okay, so this is the start, and then I'm connecting to welcome message. After welcome message, what should need to be happen? The next is I need to click the name, and after clicking the name, I need to click the email. So what need to be happen after clicking the email? I need to connect to the group code. Like these are the options. Okay, so you can say issues. Okay, let's see that. Okay, so I'm just clicking on the test button, and let's see that how it will be viewed. So okay, so this is how interactive it will be. Show that hi, I'm your smart home assistant, how I can help you today. And this is the nice image I have shown there. So I can say that, okay, this is my name, Vijay is there. And I can say, which is asking me to enter my email address, Vijay at gmail.com, because this information we need to collect from the user. And it will be show that these options, like three options, right? Reset thermostat, Wi-Fi setup. So, okay, so I'm facing issue with the reset thermostat. Okay, I need information regarding the thermostat. So when I click on here, it is automatically showing that, okay, to reset thermostat, press and hold to reset button for 10 seconds. So it will give the instruction to the user. Instead of creating a ticket with the support team, it will be show that how you can solve the problem yourself. So this is how we can create a simple chatbot for as per your business need, and we can integrate with your application. So let's go to the publish button. So I'm just clicking on the publish button. Okay, so I'm just closing this Amazon. Okay, so I'm just clicking and I'm just copying. So this automatically it is creating the URL for you, and I can say, okay, so I just enter my chatbot URL, and let's see that I'm going to ask like some of the questions again. Okay, so again I'm entering the some information here. I'm just entering my email address, and this time, okay, I need a user manual. So I just click on the user manual. See that it is automatically redirected to the Amazon, because we have given that when user is facing like issue with the user manual, we can redirect to the our business website. So this is how like it is very easy to create this bots, like just dragging and dropping, right? And if you whatever the users are entering the information, we can see on the result like, okay, so who has submitted the response, so what is his name, what is his email address, what issue he is facing. So this is very important. Like using the data analytics, we can take the decision how to improve our business or how to improve our product. It's very easy to create a chatbot in a Typebot. I hope that you like my video, and if you have any questions, you just connect with me in the comment box. I'll try to resolve this issue. Just play with this Typebot. It's very easy to create a chatbot for your business. You just need to be think about what issue or what problem you need to solve for your business. And you just need to be go there, and you need to be create a Typebot. So you can also rename this Typebot like, okay, thermostat, I can say thermostat chatbot, right? I can just rename to the anything, right? And you can publish, you can like do some of the settings there, right? So like security settings are there, metadata settings are there. Okay, you can do that, some of the settings. There is help is also there. Got it? So you can create a folder also, but you need to pay some amount of money. So if you want to use the better, like more features, then you need to upgrade with the premium features, like upgrade to starter. Like it is like $39 per month, 2 6 included, like 2000 chats per month. How many like branding is remote, file upload input, input blocks, create a folder, direct priority support, right? So whatever issue you are facing, they will provide the support for you. WhatsApp integration, custom domains, you can integrate with the custom domain, in-depth analytics. So you need to pay $89 per month. I hope you like my video. Please connect in a comment box and let me know if any issue you are facing or do you like the Typebot or not. Thanks for watching. Next step is subscribe, like, and share.